So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your Apple Watch's scroll wheel is just not working. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons, and there's never just one reason why this may end up happening. So the first thing I recommend doing for the most part is understanding that within that scroll wheel, you do have to actually move this particular wheel around like this. So you have to go through and make the indicator brighter or lower depending on what you want to do. And that is one big thing that you may want to end up kind of thinking about, is to go through, increase the brightness that way or the other way. And that is one of the big things I'd recommend doing. In my personal opinion, try going through and try to kind of move it around a lot. And you want to see if that ends up fixing it. And you want to do it the other way too. And you want to see if that ends up doing it too. So try doing that a couple times. You just want to go and make sure that ends up kind of, you can just kind of mess around with it a little bit from there. Now, the other thing I recommend doing here too is to actually go through and see if you can actually try updating your particular Apple Watch. Sometimes it might be just some random glitch you might be experiencing. So tap onto your ringer switch. If you're able to go and hit that scroll wheel, if it's not scrolling, but if you're able to click into it, try clicking into it and you want to get into your settings app. If for some reason that doesn't work, you can try clicking onto your side button right here, scrolling down until you can try double clicking your scroll button to see if you can get into the settings app. You basically just want to make your way over to the settings app somehow. So find your way of basically doing that. And once you go and click on it, again, you can scroll up from the bottom to get into all apps as well. You want to tap into settings right there, click on general, click on software update, and all you're going to want to do is update your smartwatch. That's another thing I recommend doing there. Finally, you can restart it or power shut it off. And those are the main things you can do to basically fix this problem. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.